Oh, hey everyone, Kiwi Battler. Out here on the Silica Rapids walkway at Whakapapa Village, Tongariro National Park, New Zealand. Not a very nice day for running, but decided to focus on a few running goals over the winter. It's just coming into winter here, and running goals involving just gentle running most days. Just trying to get the weekly volume up, more and more kilometres. It seems to be the general consensus of people that I've talked to that do this a lot. Getting better, getting faster involves 80% junk miles, easy running, zone 2 conversational sort of stuff, and then 20% harder efforts at like threshold or above threshold, slightly below threshold. That's where starting to sort of build up the speed and that kind of thing. Whereas this running, just efficiency, general strength, and just getting the body used to running lots. So with that in mind, given it's not a very nice day today, come out anyway. And as they say, there's no such thing as bad weather, just inappropriate clothing. So jackets on, still got the legs out, and just seeing a few things. It's not too cold, certainly one of those tracks you've got to keep your eye on. We're nearly up at the Silica Rapids. Take a few pictures here. Oh, this one's a bit sketchy. So what am I trying to do? What do I want to focus on? So after completing the Ironman and you know, doing some long distance stuff, mentally the challenge is always there, but subconsciously I know that I can finish that now. And that's not because I feel cocky, it's because I've done it once. So if you've done it once and you'll follow a plan, there's no reason why you can't do it again. You can do it better, you can do it faster, which is another challenge in itself. But just to finish it, I know I can do that. So I figured that takes a lot of time, training for the Ironman. So how about focusing on improvement in performance? Training for lesser time, but seeing gains over a shorter period of time and a shorter distance. So half marathon, 10k, that kind of thing. So I'm still trying to get up to about 120k a week. But all of these running blocks will help improve my overall speed if I decide to go back to long distance stuff, which I probably will. It's addictive, pulls you in, sucks you in. Yeah, so just trying to not be sucked in too early. So take a few pictures up the rapids and it's an easy cruise back down the road. So takeaway, no such thing as bad weather, only bad clothing choices. You're welcome.